Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating problem for anyone building with AI agents.
So, if you've ever built an autonomous agent, I bet you've seen this frustrating movie before. It starts out great, but then it just goes off the rails, inventing facts or calling the wrong tools. For a while, we've just blamed this on randomness, that LLMs are just unpredictable by nature. But it's not just that. Most of the time, the real problem is way simpler: a missing scope. See, when an agent has no clue what its boundaries are, it just starts guessing to fill in the blanks.
And in multi-agent systems, it's chaos. Each one just quietly makes up its own job description.
So the fix is to stop designing based on a fuzzy vibe and start building with a strict contract. Thinking of your prompt as a legal contract is what gives the agent the structure it desperately needs.
So, what makes a good contract? Well, it's not some big paragraph, it's a checklist. Simple as that.
A really solid contract just has to nail these 4 key questions. This becomes the agent's rulebook.
These what not to do rules are absolutely crucial. You have to list the exact failures you've actually seen. And honestly, the biggest failure point is almost always missing escalation rules. If you don't tell it what to do, it guesses. A good contract tells the agent exactly how to act when it's confused. Ask a question. Don't just invent an answer. So you might be thinking, how does this kind of boring structure actually make things more reliable? It works by collapsing the possibility space. Basically, it just shrinks the agent's available choices at every step. Rules for asking questions, which tools it can use, and output format. It all kills the guesswork. And this is where it all clicks into place. Look how every common problem has a direct, contract-based solution. Okay, once you get this contract format down, you can start automating all the boring stuff. We're talking about auto-generating scopes, syncing tool definitions right from your code, and running tests automatically. Automating all of this frees you up for the creative work that actually matters, right? So here's the bottom line. Boring prompts ship. This structure is exactly what makes agents reliable enough to use. So you have to ask yourself, is your prompt a vibe or is it a contract? Everything depends on it.